top of your mat, feet together, spine straight, roll your shoulders back, hands to the side of your body. You may close your eyes here, take a few deep breaths in and out. Now bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, lifting your hands up over your head, gazing towards your hands as it goes to the back. Arch your back here. With an exhalation, fall forward all the way down, head to knee. You may bend your knees here for the first few rounds, forehead towards your knee. Inhale, slide your right foot to the back, bringing your right knee down, making sure your hands are in line with your left foot, fingertips on the mat, lifting your chest and your shoulders, looking forward, making sure your left foot and your left knee is in a 90-degree angle, in line. Now with an exhalation, bring your left foot to the back, feet together into mountain pose. Inhale, come forward into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin down to the ground. 8 limbs or Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, lifting your chest up. Roll your shoulders back into Cobra. With an exhalation, tuck your toes. Lift yourself back into mountain pose. Inhale, bring your right foot forward. Left knee down. Fingertips in line with your right foot. Right knee in line with your right ankle. Chest and shoulder lifted, looking forward. Exhale, bring your left foot forward, head to knee. Inhale, coming all the way up, bringing your hands to the back. And exhale, back to the center. Completing the other side, inhale. Arch your back here. Exhale, fall forward. Head to knee. Inhale, bring your left foot to the back. Left knee down. Exhale, right foot to the back into mountain. Inhale, come forward into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground, hips lifted. Inhale, lifting your chest up into Cobra. Exhale, lift. Move back into mountain. Inhale, bring your left foot forward. Right knee down. Exhale, right foot forward. Head to knee. Inhale, come all the way up. And back to the center. This is one round complete. We'll do another 2 more rounds of this. Feet together. Hands to heart center. Inhale, lift up. Arch your back here. Push your hips to the front. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, bring your right foot to the back. Right knee down. Exhale, left foot to the back into mountain. Inhale, come forward into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, lift to Cobra. Exhale, back into mountain. Inhale, bring your your right foot forward. Left knee down. Exhale, left foot forward. Head to knee. Inhale all the way up. Arch. Exhale back to the center. Completing the other side. Inhale to the back. Arch. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, bring your left foot to the back. Left knee down. Exhale, right foot to the back. Into mountain. Inhale, come forward into plank, shoulders over your wrists. Exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, lift back into mountain. Feet together. Inhale, bring your left foot forward. Right knee down. Exhale, right foot forward. Hip to knee. Inhale, coming all the way up. Arch your back here. And exhale, back to the center. Normalize your breathing here. Take a few moments. Hands to the side, roll your shoulders back. Let's go with the next round. Hands to heart center. Inhale, lifting your hands up. Arch your back here. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right foot to the back, right knee down. Fingertips on the ground, chest and shoulder lifted. Exhale, bring your left foot to the back. Feet together into mountain. Inhale, come forward into plank, shoulders over your wrists. Exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, lifting to cobra. Exhale, move back into mountain. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left foot forward, hip to knee. Inhale, come all the way up. Arch your back here. Exhale, back to the center. Complete the other side. Inhale, lifting up. Arch. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left foot to the back. Left knee down. Exhale, right foot to the back. Into mountain. Inhale, come forward into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, lift up to cobra. Exhale, lift, move back to mountain. Inhale, left foot forward. Right knee down. Make sure fingertips on the mat. Chest lifted, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, bring your right foot forward, hip to knee. Fall forward. Bring yourself deeper into the stretch. You may bring your hands to the back of your ankle. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings here. Inhale, come all the way up. Arch your back. Exhale, back to the center. Next round, inhale up. Arch. Exhale, fold forward, hip to knee. Now stay here for a while. Bring your hands to the back of your legs or your ankles. Bring yourself deeper into the stretch. Try to straighten your legs here. Core engaged, tuck your belly in. Three, 2, 1. From here, fingertips on the mat. Bring your right foot to the back. Right knee down. Roll your shoulders back. Your left knee in line with your left ankle. Exhale, palms down. Bring your left foot back into mountain. Feet together. Lengthen your back here. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling. Straighten your leg here. If your heels don't touch the ground, you may gently or give your knees a micro bend here. Keep lengthening your back. Core engaged. Keep your shoulders straight. Now from here, inhale, come forward into plank. Shoulders over your wrists. Heels pointing towards the ceiling. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Down to the ground, hips lifted. With an inhalation, roll your shoulders back, lift your chest up. Your navel stays on the ground. Stay here. Don't stop breathing. Breathe in and out. Now tuck your toes. Exhale, lift. Move back into mountain. Inhale, bring your right foot forward into equestrian. Fingertips on the mat. Right knee in line with your right ankle. Exhale, bring your left foot forward, hip to knee. Fold forward. Inhale, coming all the way up. Arch your back. Exhale to the center. We'll complete the other side as well. So inhale, bringing your hands up. Arch, push your hips to the front. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left foot to the back, left knee down. Exhale, right foot to the back, into mountain, feet together. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling here. Inhale, come forward into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, lift. Move back to mountain, feet together. Inhale, bring your left foot forward. Exhale, right foot forward, hip to knee. Inhale, coming all the way up. Arch your back. Exhale, back to the center. Release your hands into Samasthiti, hands to the side. Close your eyes. Normalize your breathing here.